Good morning everyone. So let's start your today's class. First one is your sulfadiazine. So its brand name Atrina, Cetirizine or Trimozine. Uses it has antibacterial activity, hence it is used in your treatments of meningitis. So what is meningitis? It is an inflammation of the membranes like meninges surrounding your brain and spinal cord. Next one is UTI infections. Storage, it should be stored in your tightly closed containers. Next one is your sulfaguanidine. So in brand names are guanimycin and androgen. Uses it is antibacterial and is poorly absorbed through is retained in GIT. Hence it is used in your treatment of local intestinal infections like bacillary dysentery. Next one is your sulfacetamide. Brand name is Lucid, Locula and Yacula. Uses is it is an antibacterial also, hence it is used in locally to treat eye infection and systemically to treat UTI. Diazine. Then the chemical structure comes. Previously I have discussed about this pyrimidine ring at position 1 and 3 position nitrogen. So at 2 position this is your attachment or substituent. What can we naming it? How can we naming? So 2 position is their attachment, so 2 is written. Next NH2. So benzene ring ro para position re NH2 laila, so para amino benzene. Then for S double bond O, so SO2 के लिए sulfone, NH2, so amido. So sulfonamido. Then pyrimidine, it's your one naming. Another watch, we can call it this position NH2 with benzene ring is aniline. So sulf aniline to anila, anil and NH2. This is amido. So the total group this much is called as sulfanilamido and pyrimidine. So this much is your naming. Next naming is your, we can call it benzenic with NH2, we can call it aniline, and the SO2 group we can call it sulfo, and the NH2 is it's your amido. So sulfanilamido, the total group we can call it amido. At position 2 pyrimidine it is attached, so 2 sulfanilamido pyrimidine it is a name. Next one is your sulfaguanidine. So do you know this structure? See, NHC, NH single bond, C double bond NH single bond NH2. So this functional group it is called as guanidino or guanidine. Then it's your guanidine with sulfonyl group, so we can number it as 1, 2. Then it is attached, what we call it is 2. So 2 sulfonyl guanidine with para-aminophenyl. So 2 para-aminophenyl sulfonyl guanidine. Okay. Next drug is sulfacetamide. So let's see the structure. This is your COCH3. It is called as aceto with NH, so it is called as acetamide. With SO2 we can call it total as sulfonyl acetamide. So here sulfonyl acetamide with the attachment, what is this called as, you can write it is para NH2 benzenic with 4th position NH2, 1 2 3 4. So 4th position NH2 we can write it 4-aminophenyl with sulfonyl acetamide. So N 4-aminophenyl sulfonyl acetamide. So this N is written because of this amide group. This is your sulfonyl acetamide. So acetamide में जो N है उसमें this position total is attached, so we can write N में attach हुआ है 4-aminophenyl with sulfonyl is also attached and acetamide. Okay.